How to turn on or turn off keyboard suggest stickers while typing on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here click on Settings app. Now in Setting, scroll down and click on General Management. After click on General Management, click on Samsung Keyboard Settings. After click on Samsung Keyboard Settings, you will see Suggest stickers is here. If you want to turn off suggest stickers, so turn off this button. After turn off this button, you will see suggest stickers is turn off. If you want to turn on suggest stickers, so turn on this button. After turn on this button, you will see suggest sticker is turn on. You will turn on or turn off suggest stickers from here. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can turn on or turn off keyboard suggest stickers while typing on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.